Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some chocolate chip peanut butter cookies, so let's get into the video. So this recipe is going to be very quick and easy, so we're just going to jump right in. You're going to start off with your brown sugar, and then you're going to add some peanut butter to that, then your baking soda along with 1 egg. And now we're going to add some chocolate chips and then give that a good mix until it's well combined. Afterwards, I did put mine in the refrigerator just so it sets a little bit more, but you can go and roll them out right away if you want to. So here I'm just rolling them into a ball, and I'm going to put them on my parchment lined baking sheet. And you want to space them out about 1 to 2 inches at least, because they will spread a little bit. Now I'm just going to add a few more chocolate chips just so it looks a little bit nicer when it bakes. And when it's done baking, they should look like this. If you love chewy, soft cookies and peanut butter, you will love this recipe. As always, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And until next time, bye!